Hey, did you ever wonder why sometimes your cookies come out perfectly and sometimes they come out not so good? Well, I will bet you that it's all in the measurement of your ingredients. The easiest and best way to correct that and kind of up your baking game is weighing and getting yourself a kitchen scale to do that. So let's scoop up some of our flour here and then take your knife and flatten it out. And here's a cup. So now I know that all-purpose flour should weigh 120 grams. So now we're just gonna see how close did I get. It is 151 grams, and that really can make all the difference. Let's now go to brown sugar. I know that 1/4 cup of brown sugar should weigh 55 grams. And that weighs only 46 grams. Oh my gosh, so it makes a huge difference in your recipe. Now we're just gonna switch out to one other ingredient. I have 1/2 cup of milk. 4 ounces is 1/2 cup, and that is 4.6 ounces. So again, none of these random ingredients that we just measured up actually measured what we intended them to measure. So here's your tip for the day. The next time you want to bake some delicious cookies or cake, try a kitchen scale. I think you'll be really amazed at how consistent your bakes come out.